Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on RHEL. Open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server, then select the MySQL version. See here we have the MySQL 8.0.40. But when you try to install, if you are unable to find this version, you have to click on this archives. Then you will find this version. Then select the operating system, RHEL or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the OS RHEL versions from 6 to 9. So I am going to install on 9. Select 9. Then scroll down. See here we have, once we selected these options, it populated list of RPM packages. See, we have to install these packages. Instead of downloading each package, we have to download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, its size is 886 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL 8.0.40 RPM bundle tar file. So untar this file, tar-xf, then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. Those needs to be installed. Control A. Before installing, now install the perl and openssl. Hit enter, type and hit enter. I will keep all these commands in the video description. It's done. ls. Now install this sudo rpm-ivh star.rpm. We have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40. Let us verify. Sudo, clear the screen, Control A, sudo systemctl status MySQL, hit enter. It is MySQL D, hit enter. See, MySQL is installed but it is not started. Let us start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. It is typo. Start MySQL D, hit enter. Now check the status again. See, MySQL service is running. cd where ls cd log ls. See here we have the mysqld.log. More slash see, this is the root password. Okay, so copy this one, then run the mysql _ secure _ installation. Hit enter, then provide that one. Hit enter. Now we have to set the new password. Confirm the same. It is failed, so give the strong password. Yes, now set the password for the root account. Do you want to continue with the password provided? Yes. No. Yes. Remove the test database and access to it. Yes. All done. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of the root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the version of the MySQL server. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL server version 8.0.40. Show databases. To verify list of databases. No need to give the parentheses. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Okay, let us create a database. Now you go to this database and create a table. Now verify the current database. See, we are in the bank database. Create table. See, we have one table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these three rows. Now, see the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. This won't work, so we can get the list of the users by running the command against mysql.user table. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So, create a user. Create user. See, we have created user. Let us verify. Show users, not show users. See, new user James is there. Now exit from MySQL and connect with new user. MySQL-u username root James-p. Then provide the password that we have given for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay. Now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL 8.0.40 on RHEL 9. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL service is running. Now stop it. We have stopped. See, MySQL service is stopped. Also verify trying to connect to MySQL. See, we are unable to connect to MySQL server because MySQL server is stopped. Now start it again. Just replace the status with stop. Start. Now verify again. See, MySQL server is started. Also try to connect to MySQL. We have successfully connected. Now go to home directory, ls, cd, downloads, remove these files because we have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40 rm.rpm. ls, see here we have one more file, that is tar file. Remove MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on RHEL. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.